How much do junior doctors earn? This is a frequently asked question on the channel. You might want to know how much you will earn as a junior doctor so you can plan your finance. Today we will unpack junior doctors' earning. The UK has a publicly funded healthcare system. Junior doctors work primarily in the NHS. Doctors' earning in the NHS is reviewed annually by the independent review body on doctors and dentists remuneration, DDRB, which makes recommendations to the government on pay awards. The earning of a doctor is affected by multiple factors that include grade, average number of hours worked, number of on-calls, frequency of nights, and weekend duties. Doctors attract enhanced pay for working unsocial hours. The introduction of the new changes to the junior doctor contract in England has significantly changed the pay scales and remuneration for on-call duties. The devolved nations, Scotland, Wales and Northern Ireland, are still on the old contract with the banding system for on-call duties. In order to understand the pay scales, it is worth spending some time to understand the various grades on the training ladder. Foundation Year 1 level is the most junior medical doctor of the team with a provisional GMC registration. This is the level of a newly qualified doctor fresh from medical school. Foundation Year 2 level has at least 1 year of experience as a doctor with full GMC registration. New medical graduates are required to complete 2-year foundation training program. After completion of foundation program, doctors can apply for specialty training. ST1 or CT1 level is a doctor in a streamlined specialty training program. ST3 and above level is a doctor in a specific specialty with higher responsibilities. The basic salary for a newly qualified doctor in England is £28,243. That's only the basic without enhanced pay. Junior doctor earning ranges from £28,243 to £52,036 with 5 nodal points. As a doctor progresses in their career, they will reach another nodal point and their earning will increase. From Foundation Year 1 to Foundation Year 2, there is an increase in salary from £28,243 to £32,691. The next nodal point is at CT1 or ST1 level, which is nodal point 3, and the earning is £38,694. It is worth noting that there is no progression in salary from CT1 to CT2 or ST1 to ST2. The next nodal point is at ST3 or CT3 level, which is nodal point 4, and the salary is £49,036. Again, from ST3 to ST4, there's no progression in salary, and the next nodal point is at ST6 level, where the basic salary is £52,036. If a doctor is working at a minimum frequency of 1 in 8 across the length of the rota cycle, they will be paid a weekend allowance. A newly qualified doctor working at a frequency of 1 in 2 weekend will earn 15% of his basic salary on top. Weekend allowance is subject to the frequency of weekend a junior doctor works. The basic salary is for an average of 40 hours work per week. Doctors working above the average 40 hours per week will attract enhanced pay. The pay rate of a newly qualified doctor is £13.54 per hour. The enhanced time rate is an additional 37% of the plain time rate. A newly qualified doctor will earn an enhanced time rate of £18.55. The enhanced pay is for working unsocial hours. In a busy rotation where a junior doctor is rostered to work on-call duties frequently, then they will attract a higher enhanced pay. This could be 20 to 30% of the basic salary. Some specialties attract a premium. This includes hard-to-fill training programs such as general practice, psychiatric core training, psychiatry higher training, and emergency medicine. A doctor working in a general practice placement will attract a premium of £8,789. A psychiatric core trainee will attract a payment of £3,573. Psychiatric higher trainees will attract £3,573. if they're a 3-year higher training program, or if they're in a 4-year higher training program, then they will attract £2,680. The pay premium is also applicable to oral and maxillofacial surgery trainees, histopathology trainees, and trainees who are in academia. Less than full-time trainee are paid an allowance of £1,000 per year. Doctors training in London will have an additional London waiting allowance of £2,162 per year. The London waiting allowance is due to the higher cost of living in London compared to the rest of the UK. You might ask yourself, what is the monthly take-home of a junior doctor? The answer is it depends on the rota that the doctor is working on. If the doctor is working many unsocial hours, then the take-home is likely to be higher than a doctor who is not working many unsocial hours. It also depends on the income tax deduction, national insurance deduction, and NHS pension deduction. Let's consider a doctor who just started GP training in England. The basic salary is £38,693. If the GP trainee is working in a GP practice, then the GP trainee will be eligible for £8,789. That gives us a total annual salary of £47,482. The net monthly pay after tax, NHS pension contribution, and national insurance contribution will be approximately £2,754. Now, if the doctor is working in a hospital placement and is not working any unsocial hours, so the basic salary will be £38,693 and the net monthly pay will be approximately £2,256. Junior doctors can earn extra income by working locum. It is important you consider the impact of working locum on your well-being and the rest of your training. If your rota is already busy, then you don't want to overwork yourself. The pay scales for Scotland, Wales and Northern Ireland is still based on the old contract. In the devolved nation, calculation for enhanced pay is using the banding system. Jobs with more on-call or antisocial hours carry a higher supplement and will have a higher banding payments. GP registrars working in a general practice placement will have a fixed banding of 45%. I hope you find this video useful. Please let me know if you have any questions or any suggestions. If you want a video on GP earning where I will do a breakdown on how much does a salary GP make, how much does a locum GP make, how much does a GP partner make, then please let me know down in the comment section. If there's enough interest, I will make a video on GP's earning. If you have any suggestion for future videos, please let me know down in the comment section. If you're not already subscribed to this channel, make sure you subscribe and ring the bell. Don't forget to smash the like button for more videos like this. Take care everybody. Bye bye.